Right, it's a bike check, my Fit Street 2. Had this little over a year now. It's lasting really well. Nice and light. If I take the pegs off, I think it weighs about 22, but I got heavy standard pegs. It weighs about 23.5, 24. Pretty light. Nice and smooth. So let's take a look at what we got. Let's have a look at the grips we got there. Fit That grips. Really nice grips, my favourite grip. Cut the flanges off, hate those. Just they get in the way for bar spins and just getting away anyway. We got the Federal AC bars, really nice bars. Haven't cut them down, they're still a standard 28-inch width. Really nice bars. Really nice for bar spins as well. We got the Odyssey Elementary V3 stem. Nice stem, I bought this because it looked good. Weren't sure how well it's going to hold the bars, seems just one bolt. But the bars seem to stay in there really well. In fact, they're actually hard to get out. And then we have FSA Impact Headset Integral. Seems to be running alright. I haven't had any problems with that. The forks, the Federal 2020 forks, really nice forks. When I got these, I was really happy with them. Nice and light. Feel really good. The front wheel, we got the Alienation PBR rim, or plain black rim. Really good. Only had to trim it up a few times in the whole year. In the hub, just a standard sealed hub, 40mm axle. I ain't got a clue what make that is. Then we move on to the pedals. They are the Odyssey Twisted Glow in the Dark. I wanted the normal clear plastic ones, but couldn't get those, so I had to go for the clear Glow in the Dark. My favourite pedal. They last really well and they grip well. And the crank, I believe, is a Salt. I've wrecked the one what was on there, bent it, and that's holding out pretty well. Then we got a Harrow chainring. I'm never too sure about Harrow stuff because I've broke a few Harrow frames, but this, seems like a chainring. Should be okay, and it's smooth. We got the chain is a Diamondback half link. I had a Shadow Conspiracy V2 interlock on here, but I had to take it off because it was just full of dust and it was running like shit. And overall, I think this Diamondback's a smoother chain anyway. And then back wheel, the same as the front, Alienation PBR rim. Unnamed hub, sealed, 9-tooth driver. Never had any problems with that, seems to be running alright. Slowly wearing out. It's slowly starting to slip here and there, but standard. I've had it quite a while now, it's took a beating. The seat clamp is just, well, I ain't got a fucking clue what that is. It clamps the seat. It does its job, so I ain't changing it. Seat post you can't see, but that's the Federal Slam post. Not much to say about that. It's short, light. Couldn't see the point in buying a 4-length one when I run the seat down all the time. And then we got the Federal Slim SL pivotal seat. Nice seat, not very comfortable, but looks good. And the pegs, as I was saying about the pegs, are standard pegs. I think they're Harrow ones, what I had about 4 years ago. I don't like changing my pegs because they just, don't slide very well on new ones. Tyres, the front tyres are Fit FAF or FAF. Really nice tyre, grips well, smooth, fast, everything you want from a tyre really. On the back we've got the Primo Comet. I really like this tyre. It's really smooth. Lasts well. The same as the front. Overall it's a good bike. A lot of people don't like the colour of it, but I do. I don't like the plain black bikes, what everyone seems to want now. It's just boring. As you can see, got some colours on here, the purple, black, copper frame. So overall it's a really good bike.